Today, I'm so excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite dishes. It's pastela with pigeon, crispy layers of Moroccan worka pastry, savory pigeon, and sweet almonds. The entire thing is sprinkled with powdered sugar and cinnamon, and I promise you, it's one of the most special dishes on the planet. So special, in fact, that it was traditionally reserved for weddings and other special occasions. In Morocco, you'll find pastela made with chicken, seafood, vegetables, and of course the Fassi version with pigeon. To start, you'll cook the birds in onions and warm spices such as cinnamon and saffron. While the meat cooks, I prepare almonds by frying them and grinding them with cinnamon, sugar, and orange blossom water. For the pastry, I'm making it by hand here, and it definitely adds some time to the process, but there's nothing quite like homemade worka pastry. Phyllo dough also makes a great substitute here. Once the pigeons are cooked, they're removed from the pan. You'll reduce the sauce until there is no water left before adding beaten eggs. The whole thing comes together with a layer of egg mixture topped with pigeon, and then finally the sweet almonds. If you've never tasted the combination, it may seem odd, but I assure you, it is sensational. I'll include an exact recipe in the description below. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha, bon appetit!